Welcome back to our workshop. Today we are diving deep into a product that has revolutionized the way we deal with sealants, LIQUI MOLY's sealant remover. If you have ever struggled to remove stubborn sealants from different surfaces, you know how much of a pain it can be. But with this product in your hand, that is about to change. At its core, the sealant remover is a blend of specially selected solvents, renowned for their fast and thorough cleaning properties. So, how do you use it? Start by shaking it well. Aim the nozzle at the precise area where the sealant has to be removed. Maintain a safe and good application distance from the surface, approximately 20 to 30 centimeters. Depending on the stubbornness of the sealant, let it sit for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. You will notice the magic happen right before your eyes. Just take a cloth and give it a wipe. The once difficult to remove sealant now comes off with absolute ease. Let's talk about the benefits. Whether you're working on horizontal or vertical surfaces, this product does the trick. It's a real time saver, economical, and best of all, it dissolves even the most stubborn, burnt-on sealant residues. Wondering where you can use it? Think engines, transmissions, oil pans, headlights, and so much more. Dive into detailed specifications and all the info you need on the LIQUI MOLY Advantage app. Just search for a product and you'll be all set. LIQUI MOLY Sealant Remover. Removing sealant has never been easier.